I'm Bree Balchunas, and this is Orlando Health News Review for February 12th. This is news for you, by you. ORMC's volunteer services kicked off Valentine's Day early this year by providing one lucky patient with a makeover from Awesome Blossom Beauty Salon.
Today we're celebrating one particular patient through a special drawing that we had. Volunteer services really wanted to make somebody feel very special for Valentine's Day. So we just really wanted to make sure that we were really touching a life of a particular patient.
And last night I was so excited I couldn't sleep, just to be pampered and make me feel good and feel normal again. And you know, everybody needs a little pampering.
Ruth shared her experiences at the Cancer Center and what it has meant to her to be a part of Orlando Health.
Makes you appreciate when you do have your bad days, you think on, your good days. And I thank God for this place. Dr. Marusa, she is so phenomenal. There's not enough words to say how much and how I feel. And all the nurses and even a young lady that's at the front desk. I was having a bad day and I just broke down and started crying, and she just walked up to me and hugged me. She didn't even know me, and they see me, they go, hi. So this is just like another part of my family, and when I get better, I'm gonna be right here to help someone who walks in the door that's getting ready to go down the same road.
Not only is Awesome Blossom Beauty Salon helping our patients, but team members are also eligible for a 10% discount on hair and nail services. Click on the Team Member tab on orlandohealth.com for more information on this discount and all discounts offered to team members. Speaking of events, team members are invited to tour the new NICU on the 11th floor of Winnie Palmer Hospital at an open house on Wednesday, February 19th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Light refreshments will be served. The new floor was funded by donations and will make it the largest NICU in the United States. 2 weeks ago, we kicked off our series on population health and care coordination, which brings together many new initiatives to keep our patients as healthy as possible, from the moment they walk in our doors to well after they leave. The first initiative we'll look into this week is Racetrack, a program we introduced to you last year on the News Review and something that is now implemented at Dr. Phillips and ORMC.
Racetrack allows patients to be seen very, very quickly. So where it used to be that patients would sometimes wait in triage up to an hour or sometimes 2 hours on exceptionally busy days, now they're looking at coming in and being discharged in that same time frame. Luckily, the Racetrack doesn't isolate its advantages simply to patients that are of low acuity. It also allows the higher acuity patients to get beds faster, and ultimately that means they're admitted from an inpatient standpoint much quicker.
The next part of care coordination we'll discuss is how we set patient expectations about discharge times. We'll look into that more in 2 weeks. More recently, mentions of the flu have spiked over the last month in the news. According to the CDC, high flu activity is likely for the next several weeks. If you haven't gotten your flu shot yet this season, there is still time. Here to tell us more is Dr. Crespo.
It's been a very bad flu season. It started earlier than expected. It started to hit in the late summer, and it's just been getting progressively worse. The most important message that I want to stress is that it's not too late to get the vaccine, and that the people should do it for yourself, do it for your family, but most importantly, do it for our patients.
And don't forget, the flu shot is only part of the requirements needed to receive a discount on your 2014 medical premiums. The other part is the health risk assessment, which needs to be completed by February 15th to qualify for the discount. Visit the HR page on Swift to access the HRA site. That's it for today's edition. For Orlando Health News Review, I'm Bree Balchunas.